friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsie with an IE. Welcome, old friends. Welcome, new friends. You guys, I have not seen you since my last Halloween video. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a little day in my life on this lovely Saturday morning. I actually started this morning off really early, and I just could not be fucked to film this morning when I got up. So but yeah, I went to Someone Cares Soup Kitchen and I volunteered this morning. I've been volunteering at this soup kitchen for a while now, and yeah, I got a little bit of content for you guys, so let's play the videos. Thanks, Shay.
Thank you. SucksandGod.org.
So as you can see, we had a lot of hands today, and yeah, it was a really good morning, and I just truly love this organization. They do so much for the homeless in our area, and you know, it's just nice to give back when you can, especially during the holidays. So there's that. Now I'm gonna go take my dog on a walk, and we're gonna give her a bath. She doesn't like a bath, but she's gonna go get one, so let's go do that. apartment. If you couldn't tell, my dog hates baths. You can tell in all of her facial expressions in those videos. But now I need a bath. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm actually gonna be heading down to San Marcos to go watch my little sister's boyfriend play soccer. This might be the last time I'm able to watch him play a game, so we're gonna go do that. Okay, my friends, I am showered and clean, and I am currently on my way to Frankie's soccer game. I stopped by Starbucks and got myself some coffee and a little sandwich because I'm hungry. I've actually never tried this latte. It's one of the holiday ones. It's the sugar cookie one, and let's try it out. Oh, that's pretty good. Like, it's not too sweet, but there's like little like sugar cookie candies on top, or I don't know what it is, but like little candy pieces. But it's really good. I like that. But yeah, so we are on our way, and I will see you guys once I arrive in San Marcos. So I finally made it. There was a lot of traffic and had a haul ass getting here, but I made it. It's a wee bit chilly out here. They're down 2-1, but I have a feeling they're gonna have a really good comeback, so manifesting that shit. Let's go, Frankie, number 23. So my videos have not been recording because I don't have storage, so I had to delete like a bunch of shit in my phone. But while I was doing that, they got a penalty kick and they scored, and then they scored another goal. So it's 4-2 right now. What'd I say? I manifested that comeback. There he is, MVP. Woo! How does it feel to be a winner?
It was great.
Great. You did great.
Thank you.
Okay, my friends, I just made it home, and yay, Frankie won his game. I told you guys I was manifesting their comeback. It was coming. But I'm about to make some dinner, and then I'm also going to take my dog on a walk, so we're going to do that. And then I am going out with Brett's best friend, who is staying with us for a little bit. We're going to get a drink or two, and then I'm going to call it an early night because I have soccer tomorrow and I have to work. So let's do that. couldn't tell what I was making a fettuccine Alfredo. I actually made the Alfredo sauce by hand, and then I added a little bit of red sauce. I added some mushrooms, some shrimp, and then broccoli on the side. But yeah, I'm very excited to eat this. Okay friends, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching a day in my life. If I'm gonna be quite honest, I am filming this closing 2 days later. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I know I suck, but I ended up having more drinks than I expected with Jack on Saturday, and then yesterday I had soccer and work, and it was just chaotic and I was tired. So I'm here, and I'm closing out with you guys. But before I say my goodbyes, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Shay Howard. You would have seen her in the clips from the soup kitchen. We ended up having a huge farmer's market for the homeless that day, and she ended up having a booth there. And it's just crazy because I almost didn't go and volunteer, and I'm really glad I did because I felt like I needed to meet her, and I'm so glad I did. She actually has a company called Socks of God, and I'll put it here, and I'll also put it in the description box below. But basically, the mission of her company is restoring dignity and grace to the homeless by gifting them with a new pair of socks. And I just think that that is amazing. You know, if you've been following me since I started my YouTube channel, you know that I've done a few homeless passion projects, and basically what I did, you know, just my small little projects, she has as a company. You know, it's not just giving socks, she's giving out warm hats, jackets, stuff for hygiene and all that, and just everything that the homeless can't provide themselves sometimes. And I just think that what she does is amazing, and I'm so happy that I can be involved in her company, and I'm actually going to be grabbing a bunch of donations to give to her for this holiday season. And now it's nice to be able to work with someone that's as passionate as me, you know, when it comes to helping out the homeless. And I just feel like I was meant to meet her. So thank you, Shay, and thank you for your amazing energy. You're incredible, and what you do is incredible, and I cannot wait to help you out even more. So definitely give her page a follow on Facebook, and also just go check it out, and you know, just get involved in your community when you can. And I just think it's especially important during the holidays, because even though the holidays are, you know, really fun times, they can be really sad times for some people, and I just feel like it's really good to try and give back when you can. But yeah, so anyways guys, that is it for my video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving as well. Eat up. I'm so excited to go home and eat. My gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go home and eat. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, be sure to follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.